So first, fold an orange pipe cleaner in half. Then cut at the half. Next, fold each of the halves in half. Then cut the halves in half. So that should give you 4 equal pieces of orange pipe cleaner. This will be the legs. Then take a new pipe cleaner and fold it around your finger a little bit to the side of the center. So do this, and then form one bend, one twist above that point. Take your legs, your 4 equal legs, and place them above the twist you just made, and take the purple pipe cleaner and, pulling tight, make another twist above where the legs are, and you can even make another one after that to make sure it's really tight. So the legs should be pretty secure there. Then take the end of the shorter tail and curl it up to the center. Take the opposite end and curl it in the reverse direction of the first one. Then take the legs and make a bend. Spread them out and make a bend where the knee of the spider is. And twist it again to make sure it's extra tight. Now take 2 sticky back goo wires and stick them onto the face. And then you should have a spooky spider ring for Halloween. Hope you like this video.